Guys, it's time for another Bitcoin update video. Since the Bitcoin price is completely exploding, I already predicted this within my last two videos. I told you that I'm expecting a massive price move to the upside within this week. And now the first couple of hours of the week starting on Monday, today, we already saw a massive $3,000 price surge in the direction of our old all-time high. I will tell you exactly what we now have to expect from the Bitcoin price within the next couple of hours, days and weeks. And if you're wondering, I'm here right now in the desert at the Ras Al Khaimah resort, the Ritz-Carlton resort in Ras Al Khaimah, because Tone Vays has his summit here. So don't be confused. Soon you will also get videos again from my normal setup. But as always, guys, before we now jump right into the charts, make sure to smash up a like on this video. Every single video of mine usually reaches 3,000 likes. So let's smash that on today's video again. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And make sure to leave a comment down below and share the video with your friends, so they don't miss out on this very important content, because I will also update you on my $5 million worth of Bitcoin long position still have open. For example, here I have a $2 million futures Bitcoin long trade that is fairly new. I just opened this trade a couple of hours ago. Actually, I scaled it up, I doubled the position size. Then for sure I also still have my massive $2.3 million worth of Binance long positions here. I mean, the Elrond trade, I just opened that. The Elrond trade, I'm very sure that this will go into a profit as well, but right now it's still in a slight minus. And I still have my $1 million Chainlink long position, and we will also talk about Chainlink in today's video. So make sure you now stick around till the very end so you don't miss out on any of this important content. And as well, guys, let's now not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. So first of all, what happened within the last couple of hours? First of all, guys, I already told you that it's very important, and for this I want to switch the chart real quick to our very nice Bitcoin index, because here we make most of our chart analysis. First of all, I already told you last week that we have to break the $63,800 to $64,400 either in the best case within the last week, or we need to break it very early, so on Monday or Tuesday this week. And now we already broke it within the first couple of hours of Monday. We almost already broke it yesterday on Sunday evening. So everything here happened as expected, and now Bitcoin is skyrocketing to the upside. The first resistance we directly have in front of us right now is the $66,200 level, and this level we need to break sooner than later, because if we get rejected here, the next support that we have to hold, in my opinion, is for sure this very, very important old resistance area that I showed you in my last couple of videos over and over again. I think that if we get rejected here at the $66,200 level, we need to see a bounce at the $64,500 to the $63,800 level. If we bounce here with the 4-hourly candles, everything is looking very good. We are seeing a breakout confirmation, and I'm not expecting this then to turn into a massive M pattern. Even if we get rejected here, that would not be a problem, guys. So don't get scared. We already saw now a massive run up, and we can see a small correction on the 4-hourly time frame down to those price levels. For sure, it's just something that is very likely, because nothing can just go up in a straight line. Now, keeping that in mind, for sure on the 1-hourly time frame we could see a wick even more to the downside. Why am I saying this? For this I have to switch the chart back to this other chart here again. This I am saying because it's possible that we see on the hourly time frame a quick wick while we are correcting down here to the $63,800 to $64,500 level. It's very possible that we see a quick wick to the downside, retesting here this massive symmetrical triangle that we broke out of already. Let me check what is the price target for this actual symmetrical triangle here right now for the Bitcoin price. The price target of this one is actually, boom, the $73,000 level. So this is another price target that in theory would bring us above the very important, and for this now I have to switch back to our other chart. This would actually bring us, this symmetrical triangle breakout would bring us above our very important 11-year support resistance. And I'm not quite sure why I can't open the weekly chart here, I'm a little bit, that's a little bit weird why this is not working here at the moment. Can I? Ah, now it's working. Okay, I'm not sure what just happened there, but whatever, we were able to switch now. So the thing is, this 11-year resistance, as you remember guys, was never broken in the history of any Bitcoin bull market. But what happened is that so far, every time we touched it, we saw a massive blow off top. And now for the first time in history, we saw this already in the beginning of the year, Bitcoin is consolidating right below that 11-year resistance. So we are actually seeing that the bulls definitely want to break this 11-year resistance to the upside. And I think we have a chance to do this week. As soon as we see a 4-hourly candle closing above the $66,200 level, we will for sure pump to this 11-year resistance that is exactly at $68,000 to $69,000. This is where this weekly 11-year resistance is at right now. And as soon as we retest it, I think we also for sure already broke our last all-time high now. So this would mean that everybody would get immensely bullish again because of this massive consolidation here. A lot of people, I discussed this in the last couple of videos already. This is why I expected this massive price move to the upside to happen. A lot of people now lost interest for the Bitcoin price within the last 3 weeks because it was so extremely boring and nothing really happened. So a lot of people left the market. They are not looking at the charts at the moment anymore. And this means for us that it's very interesting for the bulls to pump up the price before all the retailers, before all the dumb money is again ready to buy. And all these people are missing out right now. They will FOMO into the market as soon as they see this massive price move to the upside. And this can still take a couple of days. So the bulls were accumulating, in my opinion. Retailers lost interest once again because they always do. As soon as Bitcoin doesn't make a 100% move within 2 weeks, they lost the interest. They skipped out, they didn't watch my videos and everything, and now they missed out on it, and now they will all FOMO back into the market once again, which will just exaggerate this price move to the upside. And that's why guys, I'm at the moment just in my $6 million worth of long positions. I'm not taking any profits, I'm not scaling them down, because the worst I can imagine right now is, like I said, a retest on the 4-hourly time frame of our support zone over here of the $64,400 down to the $63,800 level, and at maximum a quick wick all the way down to the symmetrical triangle support. So now guys, that's already it pretty much for the Bitcoin price. We just, like I said, have to break the $66,200 level to the upside, and then I will just keep you updated as soon as we reach the 11-year resistance, if we are forming any chart patterns on the smaller time frames like the symmetrical triangle. But so far, like I said, everything is looking good. Now let's also take a look at Chainlink, because I already told you guys. And guys, if we break the $66,200 level to the upside, I will, by the way, scale up my Bitcoin long positions also once again as soon as we have a 4-hourly close above this. Now let's talk about my $1 million Chainlink trade, because Bitcoin, if we continue to pump to the upside, which is at the moment to be expected, Chainlink will break out now any moment. Actually, any moment Chainlink will actually break out here of this old weekly candle closes. As you guys can see, Chainlink is pretty much exactly with its price at these old weekly highs, and as soon as we break them to the upside, I'm expecting a massive move to the upside for Chainlink. I could even imagine that as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump now, that Chainlink actually reaches a new all-time high within this month, actually, because it's just 2 or 3 weekly candles. And you can see the last time we broke above this potential W resistance at the moment, we saw a massive price move to $53. So that's why I have a $1 million trade open. And as soon as we actually close a weekly candle, so this weekly candle, as soon as we close this one above this weekly price of, wow, what is this? Something crazy loud is flying here. A helicopter. Can you see it over there? A massive loud helicopter. But yeah, as soon as we break with Chainlink above this resistance, I think it's game over for all Chainlink bears. The Chainlink price will blow up, because also Chainlink was not so exciting within the last couple of months actually. So there's a huge possibility of Chainlink outperforming pretty much most of the cryptos within then 2 or 3 weeks, and that's why I have a long position open. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, please smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends, and let's smash the 3,000 likes here on this video, and we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye bye.